Who are you?
We are Emilia and Mogens from the SwimCount team.
What is it you're selling?
We are selling the SwimCount Sperm Quality Test, and this is an at-home test for men and couples who would like to know about the male fertility potential.
But is male fertility actually a problem?
It's a huge problem, and in Denmark in particular, more than 40% of young men between 18 and 23, they cannot get a baby in a natural way.
Right. Can I buy that test in the United States?
You cannot buy it in the United States yet, because we need to obtain the FDA clearance for such product, and this is why we are here talking to you today, and we'll maybe ask Emilia to explain what we would like your help for.
Great.
Because we need to make a usability study. And if you would like to participate in this, we will send you a SwimCount Sperm Quality Test kit for you to take at home. You would need to read the instructions for use on how to take the test. You take the test, and once you have pulled the slider back, you take a picture of your test results, and then you fill out the questionnaire.
Yeah, then you send it to me.
Yeah.
And my email address is mct@motilitycount.com. And once we have hopefully good news from you, we will contact you immediately after. And you should know, Emilia and I, and the whole SwimCount team, we are very appreciative if you would like to participate in this study, because this will help a small Danish startup company to enter a very important American market. And so thank you in advance for your help.
Thank you.